Johnny and Henry were friends. They didn't do any work. Both of them liked to take rest. Every day they eat, drink, play, and have fun. They had no responsibilities. One day Henry said to Johnny,
Johnny, we are young now. We should get married. You're right. Come on, let's go to Tony's house.
both went to Tony's house. Tony worked as a wedding planner.
Hey Johnny, hey Henry, how are you? I have seen you after many days. We are fine, Tony. We have some work for you. Tony, you know we are good and we don't have any bad habits either. You will find a nice bride. We want to marry.
Hearing this, Tony laughs loudly.
Why are you laughing? One thing is most important to get married, that is work. How can you take responsibilities without doing anything? Oh, where can we find work now? I know a bird. She has a flower garden. She needs two workers. Come with me. I will take you there.
Then all three together go to the bird's house. The name of the bird is Chandni. Tony tells to Chandni about them.
I will give you job, but I have one condition. It is 1 year contract. If you leave this work in the middle of the year, you will have to pay fine. One of you will take care of the garden. The trees will be watered in the morning and evening and keep the garden clean. Another one will put the flowers before morning and go to the market to sell it.
After hearing the words of the Chandni, they think that work is very easy. Both agreed and they signed the contract papers.
Johnny, did you like the job? Yes, we got what we wanted. Just pour water and sit in the garden till evening, or take care flowers and sell them in the market by just sitting.
They think in their minds the work is very easy. Both of them felt they could work like playing. The next day, Johnny goes to work. He brings water from well and pours it on the bushes, cleans the garbage in the garden, and in the evening he goes again and bring water. His feet hurt a lot. He tired. Then Henry got up before dawn. He pluck off all the flowers and goes to market and sell it. The market was very far and in the evening he get tired. In the evening, Johnny and Henry are sitting.
Henry, how is your work?
Oh, my job is very easy. Put water and just sit in garden till evening. How is your work?
My work is also easy. Just pluck the flowers and sell it by sitting.
I also want to see the market.
Can we swap jobs? You don't mind, I do yours.
I'm also thinking same. Okay.
Both think in their minds that his work is easy and mine is very difficult. Another day, Henry take care of the garden and Johnny went to market. And in the evening, both are tired again.
Johnny, this work is so hard.
Yes, both works are difficult. We already signed the contract. What will we do?
If we left this, we have to pay fine.
We don't have money to pay fine, right? If you feel hurt, then tell me. I will do your work and you will do mine.
Yes, we should help each other.
A few days passed with difficulty. Now they know everything about work. When they have to put water to trees, when they have to pluck the flowers, they feel very easy to work. Then they get happiness in work and they don't know how 1 year has passed. Chandni calls both of them and says,
I like your hard work. I have two daughters. I want to marry them with you.
Johnny and Henry happily agreed to marry. And they married Chandni's daughters. Chandni gave them a flower garden as a gift. In that garden where they worked, they became owner of that. Marriage happened very grandly and they received so many gifts. Johnny and Henry feel they rewarded for their hard work and they said thanks to Tony.